When it comes to Australian wills, you have two main options: basic 2 to 6 page wills, including will kits from the internet or post office, or high-end estate planning wills. Let's just call them smart wills. Before Will Wizard, the only way to have a smart will was to see a specialist lawyer. But do you really need a smart will? Along with having sensible family and child protections, one of the many differences is that smart wills provide the option to inherit via a testamentary trust. The exciting part is that trusts created by smart wills have special powers under Australian law. Let's say your child inherits $500,000 via your basic will. Then sometime later your child suffers a divorce or a bankruptcy, perhaps caused by a business failure, an economic downturn, or an addiction issue. Your basic will leaves their inheritance unprotected and up for grabs in family court settlements or to pay debts. Had you relied on Will Wizard and your child received their inheritance in a testamentary trust, it would be protected and deemed separate from the pool of money used to pay debts or a court settlement. Imagine the relief. Another special power of a testamentary trust deals with tax. In this example, let's suppose you have 3 children, but sadly your spouse passes away. Using round numbers, let's say you inherit into a testamentary trust your spouse's estate valued at $800,000, which you invest to earn 5% interest or $40,000 per year. The ATO allows income earned on assets in a testamentary trust to be distributed to family members on lower tax rates. You could then distribute up to $18,200 tax-free each year to each of your children or grandchildren to pay for their education or living expenses. Over 10 years, this could mean $400,000 for your family rather than the ATO. Smart wills from Will Wizard also help reduce capital gains tax, help protect family members during times of crisis, and provide maximum flexibility to manage an inheritance long term. Even better, testamentary trust protections can last for 80 years and can be transferred across generations. But the good news doesn't stop there. In the past, you would need to pay thousands for a smart will. Will Wizard now delivers affordable and verified smart wills providing testamentary trusts straight to your door. Our simple online form removes questions that don't apply to you, requires no financial details, and we guide you each step of the way. You can then relax as your smart wills are delivered in a beautiful Will Wizard portfolio that also includes 10 other important documents at no extra cost. Our wills are prepared by expert lawyers and are valid across Australia. Best of all, we provide free changes. Thanks to Will Wizard, there is no reason to rely on a basic will. Your family deserves more, and so do you. Visit willwizard.com.au. You are minutes away from a lifetime of peace of mind.